A boatman rows 1 kilometers in 5 minutes along the stream and 6 kilometers in 1 hour against the stream. The speed of the stream is. Now, in boats and streams, we need to know the basic things first. So, the basic assumption is we assume A as the speed of the swimmer or the ship in still water. B is the speed of the water body. Hence, upstream speed becomes A minus B, downstream speed becomes A plus B. Now, it is given here 1 kilometer in 5 minutes along the stream. Okay. So, along the stream, that means we are speaking about downstream speed. Now, we are not given the distance covered in 1 hour, or we are also not given the speed directly. We are given in 5 minutes distance covered in 1 kilometer. Now, when we say that we want the downstream speed, basically we want the distance covered in 1 hour. 1 hour is nothing but 60 minutes. So, in 5 minutes, 1 kilometer is covered. In 60 minutes, how much distance will be covered? We can easily do it. We know 5 into 12 is 60, and therefore the distance covered will also be 1 into 12, that is 12 kilometers. So we can say that 12 kilometers is the downstream speed. So we get the first equation, A plus B is equal to 12. Now it's given here 6 kilometers in 1 hour. So it's given 1 hour, so directly it is the speed against the stream. Against the stream, that means it is upstream speed. So upstream speed, that is A minus B. So we have the equation A minus B is equal to 6. So these are the two equations we get from the data. The question asked is the speed of the stream. Stream, that means water body. So water body is B. So we have to find out B. So we'll subtract the second equation from the first. So A will get cancelled out. This becomes minus of minus is plus, and 12 minus 6 is 6. So A gets cancelled out. On the left hand side, we have 2B is equal to 6, and therefore B is equal to 3. So our answer is option A.